Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack, and today I will be showing you how to change Spotify password. So guys, to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to google.com and open up a web browser into your computer. And after that, you would just simply search over here Spotify change password. So from here, they will have a specific link for the change of password. So just simply select change password over here. And after that, right away, as you can see, if you have your Spotify login into your browser, automatically it will let you change your password by just simply providing your current password at the top. And after that, just simply provide your new password down below. And as you can see, make sure it has at least one letter, one number or special character, and at least 10 characters. So pretty much this is the minimum requirements that it needs to be to have your personalized password. And of course, you could just simply repeat the new password down below, and you could just simply select set a new password to apply the changes. And pretty much from here, you should be able to proceed with this process. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.